Welcome back, children. We're ready to do our activity book and some more review. I'm going to start out by showing you your homework for today. Right here, if you want to copy this down, this is a picture of what you need to write today. We're going to do the capital Q, the lowercase q, the capital L, the lowercase l, the capital W, the lowercase w, and then pet, wet, jet, net, get, and met was the words that we studied today on the stair step. So you get to write each one of those that you was studying on. So that's for that. And be sure, children, whenever you make your letters, it's important that you make them the right way. And for parents, there's a guide in the back of your books. Maybe in the back of workbook 4 if you don't have it in the back of workbook 5. But it is important that they start in the right place and they go the right direction. They make them just like these little guides show you. So make sure you're writing your letters correctly. Make sure if it's supposed to touch the top line, that your letter touches the top line, touches the bottom line. Yes. This little guide is in the back of your books for you to go off of. That's very important, so keep working on those letters. Here's a picture of your homework for today again. Everybody got that? Okay, so the other thing we're going to study right now is in the back of your book, your number chart. And like I said, if you don't, some of the book 5s don't have the number chart in the back. If you don't have it in the back of book 5, go check in the back of book number 4, the book you have finished. Make a copy of it or whatever. It's probably good if you have these two charts with you while you're doing schoolwork. The number chart and then the letter chart. Those are both very important. So right now, let's go to the number chart. Everybody ready? We're going to count really quick. We're going to count to 20. Make sure I'm in here. Okay, are you ready? Let's put your finger on the number 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Okay, let's stop there. Now let's count by tens. Everybody remember how to count by tens. Start up here in the corner with the 10. Everybody ready? Going down. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, back up at the top again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, children, can you point to the number 6? Do you have your chart here in front of you? Put your finger on the number 6. If you were here, I'd make sure you all had your finger on the number 6, but unfortunately I can't see you. See if you can find it in this top row, the number 6. Now move your finger to the number 16. So you drop 1 down and you're on the 16. Now the 26. Drop another one down, 26. Now 36. Now 46. Now 56. Okay, now put your finger on the number 8. Can you find the number 8? Number 8. Now put your finger on the 18. Drop one down is the 18. Now 28, 38, 48, 58. See how that works? Now put your finger on the number 4. Now the 14, 24, 34, 44, 54. Now children, see if you can find the number 46. Can you find and put your finger on the number 46? Come down to the 40 row. Come down to the 40 row and then find 46. Boom, right there. Now see if you can find the 28. 28. Come down to the 20 row. Go across till you find 28. Or you can go to the 8 row up here. So have your parents or one of your older siblings help you. You need to keep counting till you can count all the way up to 100 would be great. Make sure you can identify numbers. Whenever I say 88, you need to be able to come on this chart and point to the number 88 there. 28. Yeah, it's good if you can find your numbers in a chart and kind of know how the whole number system works. So that's something that you can work on after the video. We'll work some more on it another day. Let's go back through one more time and let's count by tens. Are you ready? Starting up here with 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So whenever you want to find the 20 row, you can start here and you can say 10 and here's 20. So this next row down will be the 20 row. You've got 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. If you want to find any one of the rows, here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Pretty easy, but have your parents or one of your older siblings help you with that and study your number chart. Okay, so you have 2 things of homework. You have to write these, write your letters, do a good job with those, study your number chart, and then that takes us to the activity book. And let me find my right book here. Okay, activity book. So it's the book with the smiley face, and your page should look like this. We're on lesson 2. So you should have a 2 at the top. And you know all of your colors now. The last color that we learned was the color black. Black looks like that. Everybody knows what black is. The last color we learned was black, so now we know all of our colors. Let's go through those really quick. Ready, children? Everybody look up here. Black, yellow, brown, black, green, blue, purple, orange, red, and back to black. So you should be able to identify all those colors. So the first part, and I'll let you do this after the video, you read what color it says and then you color the object, the color that it says there. So like the first one says black, so you color the warm black. You do these other three just the same. You come down here, do your dot maps. You children were all really good with the dot maps before you left already. So I'm sure that part won't be a problem for you. So everybody can turn to this page, talking about rhyming words, and you're getting pretty good at rhyming words, I believe. We'll go through and talk about all these pictures, and then I'm going to let you do this page by yourself too. The first picture here is zipper, and you're looking for a word here that rhymes with zipper. You have feather, turtle, and dipper. And then here you have car. So you need to find a word that rhymes with car. You have star, baby, and cage. Star, baby, and cage. The next one is pie. You have potatoes, kitten, and fly. Finding a word that rhymes with pie. The next one is fire. You need a word that rhymes with fire. You got foot, tire, and shirt. Whenever you think you found it, say the words together, make sure they rhyme. Here we have fox. With the fox, we have box, shoe, and girl. Which one of those words rhymes with fox? And then we have tree. The last one is a tree. What rhymes with tree? Is it nut, bee, or raccoon? Whenever you get all of your circling done, then go back and read over your words and make sure that they rhyme. Remember some of the rhyming words we talked about here in class? We had tent, bent, Blake, shake, Zach, black, page, gauge, carry, berry, scare, bear, book, look. Remember all those we talked about? I think most of you are understanding rhyming words. So that page should be pretty easy for you. You ready to go on to this page? We're moving kind of fast. Everybody ready for this page? We're talking on the top here, we're talking about front and back. We have one other page about front and back. I think most of you children know what front and back is. This is the front of my book. This is the back of my book. Front, back. Let's see. Here's my lotion. This is my front of my lotion. Back of my lotion. Front, back. Here's one of the things out of the box, a Hot Wheels. This is the front, back, front, back. So what they're wanting you to do here, you have a picture of the front of a little boy. Draw a line to the back of the boy. And then you have a picture of the front of a wheelbarrow. Draw a line to the back of the wheelbarrow. Front of the car, back of the car. Front of the chicken to the back of the chicken. Pretty easy. Everybody ready to go on to the bottom part? It says, help the hummingbird get to the flower. So see if you can help that hummingbird find the way all the way over to the flower without hitting any roadblocks. Help the hummingbird find the flower. And then for your art project today, we're going to go to this page. I'll give you just a minute or so to finish up what you was doing, then we'll go to this page. Okay, is everybody ready? It says you can get an actual envelope out. You're going to write your address again. You can get an actual envelope out, or you can use this area here. Either way is fine. Write your first name. Your first name, like Jakira Graver or Carrie Graver. Is Jakira Graver? Yeah. Carrie's Graver. Is Carrie Graver?
Did you say write your first name or your
First and last name. Write your first and your last name and your address here. Everybody should be learning their address. And whenever you put an address on an envelope, that tells the mail carrier where to take your envelope to. So like for my address is Washington, Indiana is my city and state, so then the mail carrier knows to take my envelope, where to send my envelope to. And then my house number is 2736. But all of us have our own house number and our own city and state, so you write your address right here. Or if you have an envelope and you want to write it on an envelope, that is good too. And then study your address, make sure you know your address and know it well. That's all I have for your lessons today. That's the end of that book. At the end of the video, you can go back and finish up all those pages that you don't have done. I think really quick, we'll go over here to our letters. We've got a few minutes left. We'll go over here and study our letters yet and go over those. This is working pretty good. We'll just move this old post right over here. There, can everybody see those letters here? The letter we had today, Kenzie, was the Q. Let's find the Q and see what picture they have with it. Quail. Oh no, I told you today that I thought quails were brown or gray, and here this one is brown. So I don't know, maybe I was off on my color. The ones I remember were gray. So there's a Q, that's the one we had today. Our vowels are in green. I don't know if I ever showed these children that, but the ones that are green are vowels. Maybe we should get those all in line. Okay, are we ready to start up here with our D? Let's do it all together. D, D, D says D, as in duck. S, S, S says S, as in sun. M, M, M says M, as in monkey. A, says A, as in apple. F, says F, as in fish. T, says T, as in turtle. G, says as in goat. O, says ah, as in octopus. N, says as in pig. H says as in house. I says it as in iguana. R says as in rat. U says as in umbrella. B says as in bell. K says as in kite. C says as in cow. W says as in watch. L says as in ladder. E says as in elephant. And the one we had today, all the way at the bottom, and you children can't see that one, can you? Let's move it up here. Is that better? Q says as in quail. Okay. You want to go through these yet? Can you see these? Yellow, blue, orange, green, red, black, and purple. Good job. Okay, so here once again I'm going to show you a picture of your homework for the day. Here's your homework. Make sure you're starting in the right spot and making those letters all correctly. Here's the words we had today: pet, wet, jet, net, get, and met. Write those all out for me. Have your parents take a picture of it, send it to my phone. And then remember, I don't know if I mentioned before, but put your name on the bottom line like you always do. And that's all I have for today, children. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.